Hi Dresser Cuties, Winnie here. Today we're going to draw Cyan from Rainbow Friends. So let's get started. To draw this cute monster, let's first start by drawing its eyes. So we're going to come right here and draw a really big circle. And we're going to come right next to it. So about this wide and draw another one. Nice and big as well. Try and match my other circle. So go right here and up. There. So now that I have two big circles in, we're going to come into the center, and about right here I'm going to go ahead and draw this very skinny oval for this slit for the eyes. Right about right here, and then shade it all in. So same thing over here, kind of right in the center. Just draw this very thin oval. There. Now that we have that, let's come in between the eyes, about right, let's see here, a little bit above center, about right here. We're going to go ahead and just draw a slight little curve. From there, we're just going to imagine this curve coming through the eye. It's going to pop back up about right here. So same thing here. It's going to pop up about right here. And we're going to create this big, looks like a big smile, this shape. So I'm going to go up, big mouth, and then about right here, round it off. And same thing here. So we're just going to create this big curve, and about right here, just like the other side, we're going to round it off. Then from there, I'm going to draw the smile first. Or we can actually, you know what, let's just come back in here. We're going to come down. We're going to come down. I think maybe it's easier we just draw this big head shape first. So let's bring it down. So I guess depending on how wide you make this, so determine this, how big your smile is. So we're just going to bring this all the way down. So play around with it. You might want to draw your smile, your smile first, and then the head around it. I'm just going to go for it today and just draw this big shape first. There. It's just something like this. This one big curve right here. Okay, so then from there, I'm going to go ahead now and right underneath the eye. So let's say about right here. I'll just give myself a point. Just kind of imagining this curve going up. And I'm going to come right here and draw a curve right underneath the eyes. That's my center. And then I'm going to go right back up. Right there, same as the other side. And then now I'm going to bring this down. So I'm going to widen this up and just make this part very much thinner. Same thing here. And then just create this big mouth. There. Okay, so then I'm just going to extend this curve up. And same thing here, just extend it up. Then from there we can go ahead and draw the teeth. So I'll just kind of start in the center just to make it a little bit simpler. So say about this is my center. I'm going to go ahead and just draw the top row. So there we have our two main ones, and I'm just going to go ahead, go all the way across and just zigzag my way and get smaller and smaller. There. And then for the bottom, I'm just going to start right in the center for one center one, and then same thing, go up and down all the way across, whatever space you have left. There. And then I'll just come in here, and since I have my Sharpie, and you can see a little bit better, I'm just going to shade this all in. Okay, so hopefully that makes more sense now. I can see the mouth. This is a little bit bigger. Then from there, we're pretty much done with the head. Let's draw the body. So this is kind of like a frontal view, so it's a little bit tricky. Let's come back about right here in the center, and just gonna draw this neck. We're just gonna come down with a curve, and here, there, to the neck right in the center. And then from there, I'm just kind of imagining this curve. So I'm just gonna skip a little bit of space, about right here. Just come down, but skip a little bit of space, and then we're gonna curve. Just bring this down a little bit more, and we're gonna curve right here for the bottom. Just gonna drawing this shape right here. Then from there, I'm gonna come back up about right here where the mouth is, and then I'm gonna come down with a curve. Right here, and we're going to bring it down. And then this part is, just imagine this is coming through for the other leg. So about right here, we're going to come down with a curve. There. So I'll bring this part up a little bit, but we just won't touch. So it's just an indication. Then let's come back right about here, and we're going to start the legs. So let's bring this down. Just work on this side first. And bring it in. So about right here. Start to curve it out. And here. So see how long you want to make the legs. But about right here, I'm going to go ahead and just zigzag 3 times for the feet. Make it a little bit simpler. There. Okay, so now on this side, we're going to bring it out more. I'm going to bring this curve in a little bit more. And then right about here, curve. And we're just going to curve in. So same thing. So our goal is to make this leg and this leg about the same width. So let's bring this down to the same area as that foot. And let's continue this down, following, and about right there. Just go ahead and come out for the feet. There. So hopefully that kind of makes sense. Drawing a front view. Okay, so then from there, the last thing we need to do is come about right here, and we're going to add a tail. So right here, I'm just going to go ahead and go up and come back. So very small right here, and then we're just going to thicken it up as we come back. There. So hopefully that looks like Cyan's body in a more simplified way. But that is pretty much it for my drawing here of Cyan from Rainbow Friends. I really hope I helped you draw it cute and easy, fun and easy today. And if I did, please make sure to give me a like and subscribe so you won't miss any new Draw So Cute videos. See you later.